Hello everyone, so this is going to be the SAS Viya 4 presentation, and so for the first thing it wants us to do, it wants us to open the VA1 Practice 2.1. So we're going to go to Explore and Visualize. All reports, courses, Y V8 185, basics, and I believe it is in the Practices HR folder. And as we can see, VA1 Practice 2.1. So now it wants us to view the data pane and answer the following questions. So how many unique values does company have? And job title. So we're going to make sure we're in the editing. So as we can see, company has 12 and job title has 9. What is the type of employee ID? We're going to go down here to employee ID. So as we can see, the classification is measure, format, float, and aggression is default sum. So as we can see, we're already on page 1 like it likes us to be. We're going to scroll through the columns and answer the following questions. What is the case of employee country? And as we can see, the employee country is going to be lowercase. What employee represents sales over the internet or through the catalog? And as we can see, internet and catalog sales. Which data item can be used to determine whether an employee is active? And if the employee does have an employee termination date, that means they have left the certain job, and if they do not, that means they are currently still working from that hire date. And now it wants us to move to page 2. And now we're going to view the crosstab and answer the following questions. Which department contains the missing job title? And as we can see, we're stock and shipping. And now it wants us to create an auto chart of company. And so we're going to go over here, close this, grab company, and bring it all the way to the right. And what is the largest company based on number of employees and the smallest? As we can see, Orion USA has the largest number of employees and frequency at 120, and logistics has the lowest in 1. And now we're going to view the measure details. In the left pane, we're going to click data like we already have opened. And we're going to click the data source menu. And we're going to view measure details. And now, what is the minimum total profit generated by an employee, the maximum, and the average? So as we can see, it is going to give us the annual salary of $40,755, the average, and the minimum. And going down to total profit, we can see that the maximum total profit of an employee, the average, and the minimum. And now we're going to click close. And now preparing data. So now we're going to open the browser, and then now we're going to go to VA1 practice 2.2. So like we got to 2.1. Going to close. All reports, courses, VA 185, basics, practices, so we're going to open it through going right here, prepare data, open plan, courses, basics, practice 2.2, open. And then we're going to click run. And now it's asking us to go to the right pane and click the properties for the results table. So as we can see, it's asking how many rows in the employees table. And that's going to be 647. And now we're going to go to the plan. How many convert column actions were performed? As we can see, there was only one. What column was changed to uppercase? Employee country. And then what filter was applied to the table? Sales and purchasing. And finally, what is the name of the new output table created from the plan? And so for this, we're going to click plan. we're going to do Save Plan. I'm sorry, we're going to go to the three dots. In the options. Save as. And then it is asking us, we do not need to save the table, but this is where, if you were to rename the table, where it would be done and any more changes. Thank you.